Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com. Today, I'll show you how to crochet the 3D shell stitch, which is a nice textured stitch pattern. I'm using worsted weight yarn and a size G crochet hook. To begin, chain 37, or any multiple of 4 plus 1. Skip the first 5 chains and make a double crochet in the 6th chain from the hook. Chain 2. And make another double crochet in the same chain. You can see how this forms a little V-stitch. Next, skip 3 chains. And in the next chain, make a V-stitch, which consists of a double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet. Skip 3 chains again. And in the next chain, make a V-stitch, which is double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet. And again, skip 3 chains, then make a V-stitch in the next chain. Continue with this pattern across the row. At the end, you'll have 3 chains left over. Make a double crochet in the last chain. For row 2, chain 3 and turn. Take notice of the first double crochet of the first V-stitch. We're going to do a front post double crochet around it. Next, within the V-stitch itself, we're going to make a shell stitch. This consists of 3 double crochet, 2 and 3, a chain 1, then 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. And there's our shell stitch. We're going to do a front post double crochet 2 together. Begin the first front post double crochet, but don't finish it. Then start the next front post double crochet. When you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and complete the 2 together stitch. You can see how this forms 2 joined front post double crochet stitches. Then, in the V-stitch, make a shell stitch again, which consists of the 3 double crochet stitches, a chain 1, and 3 more double crochet stitches, all in that same V-stitch. 2 and 3. Once that's completed, over the next 2 double crochet, we'll do the front post double crochet 2 together stitch. Start the first double crochet, but don't finish it. Then start the next double crochet and finish both stitches together. And in the V-stitch, make a shell stitch again, followed by a front post double crochet 2 together stitch. Continue with this pattern across the row. Once completed, your row might have a bit of a ruffle to it, but the next row will fix that. At the end, we're just going to put 1 front post double crochet on the second double crochet of the previous row's V-stitch. And then we'll put a double crochet in the turning chain. And I like to change colors at this point. For row 3, we'll start with the chain 3 and turn. Next, find the chain 1 in between the shell stitches. In it, we'll do our original V-stitch, which consists of a double crochet, chain 2, and a double crochet. Then, in the next shell stitches chain 1, we'll do the same V-stitch pattern of a double crochet, chain 2, and double crochet. And in the next shell, a V-stitch. This will help tighten up the previous row. Plus, it helps create the 3D effect. Continue with this pattern across the row in each shell stitch. At the end, place a double crochet in the turning chain from the previous row. Chain 3 and turn. Going forward, we'll just repeat rows 2 and 3 for the rest of the pattern. For row 4, we'll repeat row 2, which has the shell stitches on it. We'll start with the front post double crochet, and then in the previous row's V-stitch, we'll make a shell stitch consisting of 3 double crochet, chain 1, and 3 double crochet. Then we follow that with the front post double crochet 2 together over the previous row's V-stitches. Once row 4 has been completed, row 5 will be a repeat of row 3. And that's how I make a 3D shell stitch pattern for blankets, scarves, hats, and more. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.